What's up, YouTube? Basic Big Deal here, and guess what I got? Yeah, what's up? Shrink. Open up the window here so we can get the light on this shit. Check this bitch out. Got Pioneer deck. Our asshole mom's boyfriend threw away my old harness. Alright, so I gotta tell you a quick story before I get this all installed. I go into Total, and the guy looks through his harnesses that he's pulled out from other car stereos, and he goes, "Nope, I don't have it." So I go to Audio World, which is a little bit down there from Fort Mojave, and there's a friggin' Chinese guy sitting there, and he goes to rip me off, dude. He freaking pulls out a bag, and he's like, "Oh, Dita one." I'm like, "No, let me see it." And it's freaking, instead of being this fat, it's this fat, and it's all not fitting. And I'm all, "What's this?" And so, I like how he does this. He finds the deck, it's on display, and he opens up the box, and then he takes out the harness, and then he's like, "Here you go, $29.99. And I'm like, "What?" "No, 20. He's like, "Okay, 20. And so, I like how he's gonna go ahead and sell the other deck with no harness to another guy. So, whatever. It's his loss. It's his fault. If he gets sued, I don't care. Check that out. Fits perfectly. We're gonna go ahead and power it on, see if it works. If not, I'm taking people. Here's a moment of truth. Gonna go ahead and take our ground connection and connect it to ground. There we go. Check that out. That's BA. I don't think it saved all my settings, but let's check it out. 3-6 Mafia in the deck. Let's see. Oh, I think the power cord came unplugged. Yeah, it did. Set the camera down here. Go through my settings. Forgot even how to do this. Audio. Oh, shit. Tone. Oh, wait. Set the mids about 3. I think that's what I have. Treble 5. Back. Loudness. High. Alright, we're gonna get it all hooked up. See how it bumps on this? Hyphonics. Took to my SoundStream app. Now I'll begin soldering the leads. We have our solder pen, and I got my rosin core around here somewhere. Here it is. 50/50 rosin core solder. We were stripping the wires, so let me sit down the camera. This way. And I think that red's the turn on. So, yeah, red's the turn on. So, we're gonna go ahead and test that before I solder it up, because I don't want to mess up. Alright, YouTube, got my deck in place. No, it's in my room, but I don't have a car right now, so 1600 watt Soundstorm. I think I said SoundStream before, but turn on my thing. Switch hooked up, remote turned on. Switch on. Something's not hooked up. Well, it's not hooked up. I'm gonna check it out.